Welcome guys, so today I'm with Realme GT Neo free smartphone and I want to show you how camera Pro mode looks in this phone. So to enter the Pro mode you have to slide for the more options and click right here. And as you can see, at the first I'm gonna focus on this bar and then we're gonna switch for this one. Okay, so right now let's start from these parameters. If you don't know what is going on here, you can just simply tap on this information icon where you will find the description of each feature. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you how you can manipulate with the sliders. So as you can see, the first one it's ISO, and we can set it to the 6400 and the lowest is the 100. You can also set it automatically by tapping on this button. Another value, it will be the shutter speed, and the maximum time of the shutter is 32 seconds. That's the lowest, and also we can set it automatically. Another one, that's the exposure compensation. We can go for the +2 or -2, and that's the only parameter that we cannot set automatically. So for example, if you set up the shutter like that, let me just wait a minute. So for example, when you set the shutter like that, and the ISO is set up like that in the automatic mode, and you still want to change the brightness level, you can go like that or decrease by going like that and changing the brightness level. So that's how you can make it. And yeah, that's it. With the exposure compensation we can make the same actually. And another option is the focus. So with this value, you will only get focus on objects very close to your phone phone camera. For example, on my hand. When I'm gonna put my hand a little bit far away, as you can see, it's right now out of the focus. And the last parameter, it's the white balance. Here we can just simply change the color. Okay, and in this place we can enable the histogram. Right here we can change photo format. We can also enable flashlight or simply switch to the ultra wide lens. And that's all for Realme GT Neo 3 Pro mode. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.